welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be filming me transforming into Buttercup from the Powerpuff Girls. I'm gonna do a little series of transforming into all three of them, and I'm gonna do it from my, I guess, technically least two favorite. So it's gonna go Buttercup, Bubbles, and then Blossom, because Blossom is my favorite. The thing that inspired this video was the new Colourpop Powerpuff Girl palette. I know it's not very new anymore. I did film these about a month ago, and I was editing them the other day, and I did the classic, never thought it would happen, but it happened, deleted all of my videos. So I get to redo them. I remember them for the most part, so I'm hoping I can recreate what I did before because they were really cute. So fingers crossed. I am gonna start getting ready now. So I'm gonna prime. Actually, I'm gonna use my favorite primer if there's anything left in here. This is the No PoreBlem primer, and it's like my favorite, and it's pretty much gone. So we'll see if we can get anything out of it today. This might be its last look, which is okay. So you guys should comment below, let me know who your favorite Powerpuff Girl is. I love all of them for different reasons. I think Blossom for me, because I was born with red hair. I think she has like a little special place in my heart because we're both little redheads. But I do like Bubbles and Buttercup for different reasons. I think Bubbles is more like the cutesy, you know, whatever. And then Buttercup is like the BA one that's awesome, and she's super cute and, you know, like jams to her own little beat, which is cool. So I like them all for different reasons. All right, let me just situate myself a little bit here so I'm a little more prepared. All right, so now I'm going to go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation in 120W. I like this foundation. It is a little bit warmer than I am, but that's okay. It was the only one I could pick, like that was the lightest on. I'm pretty sure I got it with my Ipsy bag, like the full-size product one. I did a review on it a while back, and I really like the foundation, like the way it wears and the way it goes on and all that good stuff. The other thing I don't love is this one like sticks on the top for some reason. I'm looking in a mirror off to the side a little bit so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, so the foundation is on. Now I'm gonna go in with this Colourpop Shape Tape like glow wand. I like to put this on before I put my concealer on because it just kind of adds this like little bit of a nice glowy look. But I did try to mix it in to my concealer the other time, like the other videos, and it actually was really weird. So it's better to do this by itself, and then if you want more like brightness under your eyes, you can do the concealer over it. But I tried mixing them and it was actually not very cute. So now I just put this one on alone, and then I go in with my Tarte Shape Tape in Fair Neutral and just add this a little bit. If I don't mention something I'm using, I will have all the stuff I'm using in the description, but I'm trying to remember to say all of the stuff. Okay, dokie. So we're all concealed. Now I'm gonna take my Ciate London coconut powder because I'm still trying to get through this. I've been trying to get through this for like a year, but I don't get ready enough to really go through it. So powder is on to bake. Now I'm gonna go into this Complex Culture Compact, and I'm going to use I'm gonna use both of these, but I'm gonna use the contour real quick while I bake for a little bit. I am going to do a little bit darker than I normally would through my hairline just because I am going to be wearing a black wig for her. So I just need a little bit more color, I feel like, where that's going to be. So there's that. And then I'm just going to take this cute little brush and kind of like pat it in slash, yeah, brush it away for the powder because I kind of want it to, you know, stay a little bit but not like heavy. And then I like to just kind of buff out my contour a little bit with this after, just to make sure, you know, it's really blended and all cute as I put my hair all over my face. Who else has like little baby hairs that like to get all up in their makeup? Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the blush. That all fabulous. I'm pulling it up a little bit because it makes it all cute and blendy. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with another complex culture compact, and I'm gonna use the gold highlight for this look. And we're just gonna pop that on the little cheekies here, and then kind of like the end tip of the nose, and then just up the bridge a tiny bit, so you know you're glowing all the way to outer space if possible. Okay, now I am gonna go in with this tinted brow gel in Granite, just because I am doing a darker hair color. I mean, my hair is dark right now too, but I usually do use Taupe for my eyebrows, but I feel like this is a good color for what I'm going for right now. Okay, so my eyebrows are on. I'm gonna go in with a pencil so I can just kind of define them a tiny bit more. I always want to draw outside of my eyebrows for some reason with these pencils sometimes. Okay, so now for the exciting part. So all the base is on. Now we're gonna go into the Powerpuff Girl palette. Okay, so this palette is absolutely adorable. Those are all of the colors. They're super cute, and then there's like this cute little like thing here of the Powerpuff Girls, but those are the colors. They're super beautiful. I am going to be using this green line mostly and kind of the neutrals in the palette. I'm gonna go in with Professor Utonium, which is like the second one in the pink color, and I'm just gonna base my eyelids with that. I guess I can use this mirror. It's closer. So I'm just doing the entire lid with this. Just like a light amount all over. Okay, so that is what that looks like so far. Now I'm gonna go in with a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go in with Silica. It's this dark herb green one at the bottom. It has a super cute little star in it, so I'm trying not to ruin that just yet. So I'm gonna take this and kind of put it in the crease, and I am gonna build it up. So I'm gonna go in a few times with this color, I think, and just kind of get the color nice and built up. It's very pigmented and like smooth, which I feel like most Colourpop cosmetics is, which is nice. I'm gonna get this a little greener. I want this real intense. And we're gonna do this eye. Okay, so that's that so far. I'm gonna add just a teeny bit more for now. So that is the green. It's all cute and pretty. I am gonna go in with this crime fighting color on the edge here, and I'm just gonna put that in the crease a teeny bit, just to kind of like deepen it a little bit. So with a more like thicker, smaller fluffy brush, I am just gonna pop that like right on the outer to the mid crease, and then do it to the other side and just kind of blend it a little so it doesn't look crazy, you know? but you don't need a lot. It just helps give it a little more definition. And then I am gonna go in with the, what do I want? The Mare color right here, which is like that sparkly nude color. And I am gonna put that kind of right on the outer to mid crease. And it's very pretty and pigmented, which is nice for a sparkly shadow. It goes on really well with a brush, which is nude. And everything is still blending really well so far. This side just a little more intense. I'm just building up a little bit. That is what that looks like so far. Now, I am going to go in with Chemical X, which is this beautiful sparkly green color here. And I am gonna put that on the inner to the mid lid, and I'm just gonna use my finger because it gives the most pigment the quickest. This color does work really well with a brush as well, but the finger just gets it on there a little more intensely, for me anyways. Okay, so that is what it looks like so far. Now I'm gonna go back in with that first green in the fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna kind of like buff everything together with it just a teeny bit of pigment on it. I'm barely like, I just touch the shadow like lightly with it to get just a teeny bit on to help blend it all together, so just a little smoother. Now I'm gonna go in with eyeliner because I definitely think that Buttercup would be a wing girl for sure. So we are gonna get these wings on. One wing is on. And then we're gonna do the other one real fast. Okay, so I made super long wings, and then I'm just gonna pop some mascara on real fast. Okay, so mascara on. All this is good. I do need to attach. So I like to go in with the green, like from the palette, and kind of buff it out to the edge of the wing. I've always been one of those people, I like them to touch. I don't like a gap. And I love the like nude in the outer corner because it's almost like negative space and it looks really just unique, I think. And then I'm gonna take some of the Townsville, which is the sparkly white, and I'm just gonna kind of dust that up by the eyebrow a little bit. It does give your eyebrows a little bit of glitter. So it's this one, so it's very glittery. It is the most glittery, oh, and this blue one in the palette, but it's super cute. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with BFF from Colourpop because I'm gonna do a nude lip on her. Okay, so my lip liner's on, and I'm gonna go in with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Can't Relate color. We're just gonna get this on the lips. And then I'm just gonna take a little lip brush and kind of shape my lips out real quick. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I love it. I love this shirt with the black and the like cute like kind of, you know, old school vibes and all that good stuff. And then this is her with like long black hair. I figure she might grow it out as an adult, who knows. And the makeup went on like super well. The eyeshadow's super pretty. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Comment down below, let me know who your favorite Powerpuff Girl is, if it's Blossom, Bubbles, or Buttercup. And if you guys think that Buttercup would have her super cute short hair still, or if she would have grown it out as an adult. So let me know in the comments below. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to keep up with my other videos coming in this series. Click on the little notification bell if you want to just like be notified when they're, you know, popping up. And if you guys subscribe, thank you so much. It means so much to me when you guys subscribe. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!